Right?
It's for my legs.
Oh, it was true. Gotta find out when the contest is. I don't want to miss that.
I think it's at 1:30.
What time is it now?
2:30? I don't know. Hold on. Here, hold my beer. Let me take a look. So it's at 2, but if you want to sign up, you have to do it before 1:30.
We're not signing up.
Yeah.
We just want to walk.
So 2 o'clock.
So 2 o'clock and it's what? 1:30?
From 2 to 2:45.
What time is
It
it now?
is 12:45.
Oh, okay, perfect.
So,
So 2, and where do we need to be? Do we know?
it says in front of the Royal Music Stage. Wherever that is.
Okay. We can take a look at it while we're snacking.
Do we want to get something to eat?
Yeah, and just snack. Or you want real food?
Well, I mean, we could just.
This is the food court,
Yeah.
so they have
That's what I'm
the
saying, like,
burgers
you wanna
and
get-
dogs.
You want to get something?
Yeah. Just avoid the poke stand. That freaks me out.
Yeah, it freaked Will and I out.
Sorry, can't do poke in Renaissance there.
And we're not doing the fish and chips.
Oh no, those are kind of,
Yeah.
those are horrible.
Yeah.
So greasy, but yeah, and I don't know what fish that was either. Is tilapia really soft? Because I think that's probably what they use. Oh, they got ribs, corn on the cob, barbecue, pizza. They got pizza. Tri-tip sandwiches.
I'm tenacious D&D.
Nation D&D is on right now.
I could go for some fresh cut curly fries.
Gross.
Okay, what do you want?
A mustache that stays on my face.
Yeah, me too. What do you want?
Oh, wow. Several choices. Gyros, but I don't know if I want to trust that either.
Yeah, I don't.
Just not at a fair or a festival.
I was at a bar and so pick up what do you got, Mike?
I freaked out for a second. I was like, I don't know where my beer went. You have.
Turkey legs.
You want a turkey leg?
Am I seeing 19 bucks? 19 bucks for a turkey leg? Jeez.